This is the bottom line.
Yes, sir.
I'm an officer of the court.
Yes, sir.
I'm in the right place. I'm in 1C. That's the apartment that I'm here for. Okay? Stop. Let me finish.
Yes. I'm sorry.
Nothing we say right now is going to change anything that's happening right now.
Yes, because...
No. Stop. We're going to say it again. I am just an officer of the court doing my job. My paperwork is clear. I am in the right... Stop. Hold on. Right now, in the next 5 minutes,
listen, you are telling me you are on the right place.
Yes.
Okay.
I need to... on this paperwork. Your name is on here.
Listen, my name could be on the paperwork. You say you are here for 1C. 1C commercial or residential, sir? 1C
commercial. It's also, there's a corporation named on here too. Sponsored Market LLC.
Okay, 1C okay. So, okay.
I want you to understand
yes, sir.
I'm going to give you 5 minutes to grab what you need and come out of here.
It doesn't work that way, sir.
All right, so then I'm calling the police. We're going to remove all your stuff.
Okay.
Not a problem, man. Not a problem. We're going to so I'm not going to stand here and do this.
Okay.
Listen, I'm doing my job.
When you tell me, I just need the case number, sir.
I gave it to you. It's on the paper. I just gave it to you. Here. Okay. Here. Take it. We're not doing this while I'm here. I'm just here to
300 300436, right?
Correct.
Okay, perfect. We're going nice if right now.
What is nice if going to show you? None of this matters. Residential, commercial, this is just my notice. Doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean anything. It's not going to stop the eviction.
Okay, no, listen.
It doesn't. It's not, sir. It's not going
Are
to stop.
you allowing me to speak, sir?
No,
you're not.
No, we're not talking anymore. I'm done. I'm done with this argument.
It clearly said the residential.
Sir, it doesn't
residential
matter.
unit
It's just the notice. It just doesn't matter. It all doesn't matter. All right? It all doesn't matter.
Okay,
it's not going to stop this.
So residential unit are located from the 2nd to the 6th floor.
Sir, it's unit 1C. It doesn't matter whether you're using it as a residential or a commercial. I am just doing my job. You can record everything. You can go back to the court. You can go back to the court and make your argument to a judge. But I'm going to tell you something. You want to give me a hard time? No problem.
I'm not giving you a hard time.
No, you are 100%.
I'm trying to clarify.
You're not clarifying.
Let me speak. Why you keep yelling over me?
Because I'm tired of talking about this. I am not going to do it
You
anymore.
just said you was waiting for commercial.
You're looking for an excuse.
I'm not looking for any excuse, sir.
Listen, I'm here to do my job. I'm going to put you out. You can go down to the court and bring that up with the judge and see if it makes a difference.
Okay, so you don't want to talk, that's fine. Call the cops.
We are going to call the cops. But just understand, all your stuff is getting moved.
That's fine, that's fine.
All your stuff is getting moved.
If that's what you believe, that's what you believe.
I'm going to give you the location.
I'm not here to fight you, sir.
Sir,
I'm trying to understand.
I'm just doing my job. Are you job? You can go to court and make your argument.
That's fine. Call the cops. I'm not going to fight you on that. If you don't want to talk about you have the wrong unit, simply call the cops.
It's certainly not the wrong unit. It says 1C.
You are here.
It's 1C.
He does this all the time.
This one? Because that's the race seal. I need that one. That one only I can have. He can take a picture of it. That's fine.
You want to take a picture?
I just took a picture of it.
Okay, all
But
right.
he's gonna read through the whole thing just to make more time, so you get.
That's no problem. The boss is already on his way.
He's done it a few
None
times
of
already.
None of this is sealed. Okay. His time is running out.
So it's very interesting. On all the documents, there is nowhere does it says
Commercial, residential, right?
Yeah, but
we went through that already.
Okay, but dude,
Can I respond to that?
But listen, they are aware that I am aware of the scam is going on. So the goal is to keep speaking over me, to not let me speak, so you guys don't understand the arguments.
It doesn't matter. They're not the judge. Let me say something. Let me say something. If you believe what we're doing here is a scam.
No, I'm just taking one picture.
I was gonna hold it so it doesn't fall.
I'm giving you paperwork to go down to 111 Center Street right now. They just opened at 9.
Actually, this is the paperwork that I need. You ain't give me.
You can take pictures of that. That's the mailing slips. There's nothing.
you wanna
there's
see
nothing
this?
to hide. The court has records of that too. It's all posted online.
I don't have. Who gave it to me?
Yeah, you came here. But this has nothing to do with your argument. This has nothing to do with your. This is saying you weren't served. Are you saying you weren't served? You didn't make that argument before. You're saying that the distinction is wrong, but you're not saying you weren't served. This is just proof of the service. You were served. And that's the affidavit from the processor. This stuff is all on file.
Sorry.
Let me get this name here. Is there one more page after it?
I'm sorry?
Is there another page after it?
No, that's the last verse. So it says that it was posted on the door. So your service is on the door.
And the rest is the mailing slips.
And they affirm that.
Perfect.
Okay, and it was, attempt was made on May 9th and a second attempt was made on May 11th. And it said it was affixed on the door.
Okay, so let's wait for your supervisor and let's get into it. You have the wrong unit.
He's a nice guy, but
You have the wrong unit. You have the wrong floor.
You know,
And your document says it.
He looks intimidating, but he's gonna
Exactly.
go in circles. He's gonna go in
Anyway,
circles.
see what happened was they brought the action first as a commercial case. And because he's living here, the judge ruled that the case had to be brought to the housing part. That they couldn't rule on it in the commercial division because he was using it as a residence.
Okay.
Therefore, they had to bring it to the commercial part.
Okay.
So then they had to refile the case in the housing part.
Okay.
Right? And they brought it to the housing part. He had a trial. He was there. He questioned the witnesses and everything.
He questioned me
and
twice.
the judge ruled. Obviously, you've got the ruling in your hand, and he's aware of it. The judge ruled obviously against him, right?
Okay.
And that he gave possession to the landlord.
Okay.
Issued the warrant of eviction, which he has, and is now doing it. He is 100% aware of this. He just tries to talk in circles and use all these different irrelevant technicalities to try to differentiate from the bottom line, which is the judge issued an order, and the order says he's got to go.
Therefore, it needs to serve because it needs to identify commercial and residential. He's saying that because it doesn't specifically specify that, they are in the wrong, and so therefore cannot issue him the warrant. However, he's already showed up to court 4 times for a commercial.
Absolutely not, ma'am.
Right.
Absolutely not. Do not say statement.
You said on camera that you did go to court for a commercial property.
Not.
For a commercial.
You not let me speak. You're speaking over me.
He said that he went to court for a commercial property, right? And it has a different number that's on here. However,
Case number.
What they explained was it originally went to court for that commercial purpose. However, the court determined that it needed to go to residential. They did that transfer. He is still the occupant owner on here. It is still under the owner who rented it and leased it to him, and therefore it is now under a residential case number, no longer under a case number, and so this warrant is issued, in fact, for this unit.
And you guys are just here to issue them the...
I'm just here to lock the door.
Correct.
He's gotta go.
Correct.
So let me say
So
one
he
more
wants
thing.
to speak to
Let
the
him speak, let him speak, let him
supervisor
speak.
to work through the technicality, and so we were trying to explain that to him. So told the boss, and he said no problem of this.
Yes, but I need a copy of the second one, but apparently say it doesn't have it. This is the one
You can take
Yeah,
pictures.
you
That
take
one you
picture?
can take pictures.
that's the main document that I'm very interested into. Hey, how you doing? Supervisor, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
So, well, you're the other part.
I'm the tenant, yes.
Okay, so what's
So
going on?
you wanna verify my identity? So I'll give you my driver license.
Yeah. If you
Okay, first of all, legally, this is the legal address, the property data associated with this unit.
Okay.
It's 305. It's not 309.
Okay.
309 is one of which does not exist. This is one thing. Second thing now, the argument we're having. I spoke to the marshal. The marshal claim is here for commercial units. Yet when you go online, this is the case number. This is because this is the same notice of evictions.
Okay.
I just got that from the document they gave me. This is a residential. We're going to click on case detail, and this is actually it doesn't even says. But if we go under here, notice of evictions. Let's go on warrant trial. We're going to click. No, this is the confirmation number.
What's up?
We're going to click the warrant requisition after trial, and we're going to see if it says residential. So this is residential. This is commercial.
Okay.
So this is clear. The document, the notice of eviction that was issued, is for residential units. Now there is a separate case that happened previous to this, where I filed complaint for repair, and I'm going to show you something. What the condominium. So this case number, we're going to check the credential of the case detail.
Okay.
So you see this is 305 East 108th Street. You see the same number that is here? So this is for this unit. And this is Magnolia Mansion Condominium. The condominium owns this building. So this is a document they have filed here. It says clearly, it says residential unit located on 2nd to the 6th floor. See final CFO. The CFO is the certificate of occupancy that tells us the occupancy group for each single unit. The issue I'm having here, I'm not contesting the document that they have. But all I'm saying is, if you have a notice of eviction, I need to verify if it is commercial or if it is residential. According to the marshal, it doesn't matter because it's a 1C. Second point, the unit cannot be commercial and residential at the same time. So the condominium, the owner of the building, clearly tells us where those units are located. So if you are here for a residential unit, you have to go to the second floor.
Okay.
It's not a claim is here for commercial. That's not what the document says.
So
I'm going to go back again.
Okay, but does
This
anyone
is
reside
this
here?
is his name, and suspiciously, the document that he shows me does not show anywhere if it is commercial, if it is residential. But if you go on the court website, it tells you residential is X. There is an X here.
Okay.
So his argument is it doesn't matter, sir. The document says 1C. I saw 1C sign over there. I'm like, yes, sir, it does matter because the owner of the building already filed a case where they tells us exactly where those units are located. So
Okay.
the scam is they're simply going to try to say, oh, 1C, 1C. You look at the document, they say 1C, go back to court, talk to the judge. Absolutely not. If you are here for a residential unit, you have to go to the second floor. That's my argument.
Can
Okay.
I say one thing here?
No.
Can I,
Speak.
am I
No.
allowed to say one thing? Because you're getting into procedural stuff, and I think it's
Absolutely not, sir.
Well,
You are a marshal. You are not a condominium,
No,
sir.
but I'm telling you.
And you are not a department of the building either.
Oh, I'm the condominium.
Oh, can you identify yourself?
I'm on the board of the condominium.
Can you identify yourself?
All right, guys. We're not gonna go back and forth.
Can I just say one thing here?
Yeah.
It's important. Can I just make one distinction here? The protections for a residential case are stronger than for commercial tenants. Do you agree with that, generally speaking? If you're aware of this?
What I'm agree with is I'm agree with the legal documentation that was filed with the court. That's what I'm agree with.
Hold on. The point is, if you were living here...
What's
in a
the CFO,
commercial-
sir? What's the CFO?
I have nothing to do with that.
Exactly.
Sir, I have nothing to do with that.
So you are on the wrong floor. You are on the wrong floor, sir.
The paperwork states that it was returned to the landlord. We're here to support the marshal.
Okay.
And
So
he
you
said
make
it
your
does not
argument in
meet
court.
Specification of commercial and residential. That is a court thing. If he feels like that he's in the wrong, then that has to happen in court. If he has the documents that said it is returned to the property, the correct owner, then he refused to leave, it becomes a criminal.
Exactly.
Okay.
That is completely false.
Okay.
Because this
So-
is very suspicious because the document, the marshal, did you verify his name?
My name is Justin.
Because this is what is filed with the court.
That's my name. That's me.
Exactly. And what does it says here?
Yeah, but sir, that's the court's distinction, not mine. Here, look, you want my ID?
No,
You saying you checked my name?
this is a business card. That's not the
This is my ID.
Can you
Don't
state
call
your
it
name verbally?
Justin Grossman. This
So
is not
that's
a
your
business
name.
card. Justin Grossman.
That's all I
City
need from you.
Marshal,
You
28.
identify yourself. That's all I need from you.
All right. So here's what we're gonna do. So marshals have the eviction notice. If you refuse to leave, you're gonna be placed under arrest.
Okay.
Okay. So you're gonna have to take this up with court, and you're gonna have to refile a motion and do whatever you have to do with your legal team.
That's perfect. So I explained to you they have the wrong floor. It doesn't matter to you.
That's all up to them. If they have paperwork saying that they're coming to possess 1C, they're here to possess 1C.
But I argue that the condominium says that 1C, the residential unit
Sir,
area 4, is
I
on the
don't-
second floor.
Sir, I am not a landlord-tenant.
This
judge.
is not an alternate issue. This is an issue where the unit is located. That's all it is.
Okay, but I'm not here. I'm not here to argue the facts of the case. That's not my decision. That's up to a judge. Okay, so you're gonna have to argue that in court. I do not argue that here. I am given paperwork. The paperwork that I am being shown is valid. It says that they're to take possession of unit 1C, and then that's what they're gonna do.
But I just show you this the same name. This is
Sir.
it, Marshal. What's his name? What's his name again? Marshal Justin. Where's Marshal Justin again? Yeah, Marshal Justin Grossman.
Yes.
So it's funny. So on the website on ISIF,
Sir, I'm not arguing the particulars of the case. Okay? So it's either you're gonna leave willingly or unwillingly.
That's it.
Okay?
Okay. So I'm
what is
gonna.
your decision?
My decision is I'm gonna go on my stop. No, my decision is first of all, I am contesting.
Are you gonna leave the unit, sir?
Oh, I'm not leaving. I am being forced to leave. That's the difference.
Okay, so
I'm not leaving willingly because I need that for the court.
I understand.
You guys are forcing me to leave under the threat of arrest.
You have the choice. It's not a threat. Those are your options. Either leave now and do free and do whatever you have to do to get everything back, or you get arrested because you're not leaving. But then you'll be let go eventually from being under arrest, but that'll just take time from you to do what you have to do.
I just want that to, so this could be clear on record. I'm not leaving.
no.
I am being forced to leave under the
listen,
threat of
that's all-
arrest.
If that's
That's all
your
being documented
opinion,
on
that's
body
fine, but
Yeah.
that's your
So it has to
choice.
be clear that I argue that you have the wrong apartment and you have the wrong floor.
Yes, that's
Yet
all-
you
that's
did
all.
not acknowledge.
It's on
This is
body
all
worn
body
camera.
That's
camera.
fine.
This
And
is
you did not
freedom
acknowledge
of
the legal
information.
documentation that I presented to you. So for that reason I am being forced to leave under the threat of arrest. So that's why, but I'm not leaving willingly. I'm not. Because I clearly show you the document that is filed with the court. The marshal name is on it. It says residential. And according to the condominium,
What you're showing
you're a
us,
police officer, you're not a condominium. The condominium tells you where the unit is located.
all of what you're showing us, you can grab some belongings, right? I'm not asking you to grab a lot, but grab enough for a couple of days.
And this is the marshal's name.
And you can start the process going. But it's important that you grab a couple of things and let the marshals do their
Exactly.
job.
This is their biggest mistake here.
but we're
This is
not
the,
out
who's the
here.
supervisor? Is that?
So, right here, Sergeant.
Yeah,
So
Sergeant
you
Clark,
made,
yeah.
can you state your name for me?
Sergeant Clark, Shield
Okay.
1529.
Okay, so you made the decision that, you do not acknowledge the document, I have to leave.
Yes, because
Okay, perfect. That's fine. That's all
Yeah,
it is.
that's all it is, yeah.
Let me get a picture of it. Let me get a picture of it. Let me get a picture of the sign. Exactly. Is that my signature in the bottom?
Sir, 1C, professional offices. Sir, if you go into the Department of Buildings, 1C, it's right there, you can see. This is not a residential property.
Can I take pictures of this?
I'm sorry?
Can I take, this is HPD.
Yeah, of course. Can we show them? Yeah, come here, I'll show you.
So what you're saying, that this is not.
This is not residential, this is commercial, yeah. And you can go into the DOB files and verify for yourself.
I have that.
The first floor is commercial spaces. Next door is a yoga space. The next one it's a audio editing. The other one it's an arts type of place. So the first floor is commercial space. Now, everything that you see here, our company rented this to store this temporarily, and no beds are supposed to be here. He actually called the DOB and he told them that there was work in progress, and they gave us a stop work orders, which they took care of that, the DOB already, because we explained the situation to them. Right. He's in that room, and as of right now, no residential is allowed to be in this apartment. All of this is commercial. If you see upstairs, it says Arts in Common LLC storage room, because that's what it is right now. Now, this gentleman.
Sir, can I get your role on all this?
I'm sorry?
Your role?
I work for the company that rents the first floor. I work for Arts in Common.
Okay.
Yes.
He has a boiler and a hot water heater inside his unit.
Every apartment.
Every unit, they're not all apartments. This is a commercial unit.
It is not.
It's a commercial unit. Check the certificate of occupancy. It's a commercial unit.
This is the certificate of occupancy, I have it. And this one is certified.
How you doing? Good. Would it be possible to inspect your apartment?
Not at the moment, not right
Not at the
now.
moment.
Thank you.
So this is the certificate of occupancy, sir.
Thank you.
No, this is certified. You can live with that. I'm just showing you. So can you tell me on which floor you're located right now?
Looks like first floor.
No, you got the first floor, you got the first resident. Which one?
Well, the first floor, Mel, would probably be that storage area that's in your
It is not,
apartment.
sir. It is not. Because I have the floor plan, and the floor plan says something different.
No, I'll have to have a look at that. You want me to have a look at that for you?
I can show you the floor plan, sir.
You want to have a look at it?
No, listen. In order for me to let you in, you first need to identify on which floor you are.
Right now, I would feel like people cannot live on the first floor because the CO doesn't say apartments. Okay? That's what my determination would be. But you understand, inspector needs access. This is showing all professional doctors.
But let me ask you something. What does it says here? Up to what?
Second floor.
So basically, let's try to identify on which floor this is right now.
No, you're kind of getting into a situation here where you're just pulling together a bunch of.
No.
stuff
The
where
document is clear.
you're
This is approved. This is a state
I
approved.
got you.
And this
but
is certified.
This is showing. There's nowhere else in the building where there's doctor offices.
But let me tell you
offices are
something.
only on the
No.
first floor.
Is that the ground floor or is that the floor we are located on right now? Which floor is that?
This is the first floor. This is the floor that we're on right now.
This is the floor we're on? But look, he said up to the second floor, the stairs that lead to the second floor is located on the right.
That's the stairs going up to the second floor.
No, it is not. Listen.
That's just.
No, come
That's
on.
just a draft and error, my friend. That's a really.
How do you know it's an error, sir?
That's just a draft and error. It happens all the time. You know, this is clearly 100%. This is the floor plan for this floor. Hallway, bang, your apartment, these two apartments, this apartment. That's the way it is.
So now this is the so-called plan for this floor actually.
Do you think this is the first floor?
Look the date.
But what floor does it say?
But look what it says. Proposed first floor plan.
Proposed. Yeah, but this did not happen. What you're showing
This
here,
is sign off because the job number is on it and the sign off.
the job numbers on it, but show me a sign off on this.
No, you have to go online to say
All
that.
right, let's look in the system, okay?
Sure.
I got time for this.
Because on a violation the lady had issue, it says that her job is signed off.
Job was never permitted. They never obtained a permit. They never did the work. Per the records. The job was approved. This was approved to proceed by DOB, but the job was never permitted. No CO was ever issued for that job. The occupancy of the first floor should be doctor's offices.
So you are acknowledging this floor as a first floor.
I'm acknowledging it should be doctor's offices. That's all.
So in
Per
this
the
case,
CO.
where is the first mezzanine located? If this is the first floor.
No, pretty much you're getting hung up on the identification of the stairwell. But that is, for me, that is just a basic draft and error, which happens all the time. I have to go by the CO. The CO is saying this here should be 6 doctor's offices. That would be too big of a coincidence. I am going to issue a violation. That room, that apartment back there is occupied contrary to CO.
What about this one, the first one that you
I
checked?
understand 100% there's young kids in there and everything like that, but inspector needs to take pictures for evidence. I can't rely on your video, my friend.
That's it, I put my,
I believe you're a trustworthy guy.
I'll put it right in my pocket.
I believe you're a trustworthy guy, but I cannot do that.
That's totally fine.
These two denied access. These nobody access.
No, the guy just came back. The guy just came back.
Yeah, he denied access, right?
I don't know if he denied, he said he was busy. He came out, he came right back.
I'm not going to harass him.
That's fine.
Next inspection, I will attempt again.
That's totally fine.
Like I said, one violation, that doctor's office is occupied for residential, contrary to CO. Okay? You got a lot of information here, but you're misinterpreting a lot of it. This is an application that was filed and approved by DOB, but was never permitted, so it never happened.
How do we know that he was never permitted?
Because I just checked the system. You can check it also.